Today I'm going to be showing you how to download any book that you want. As my channel is dermatology specific, so we'll be looking at how to download dermatology books. All you have to do is to search PDF Drive on Google in your browser, and the first result that pops up is the pdfdrive.com. You have to go to pdfdrive.com, and on the right side of the screen there are many subjects. You can download the book on any subject. You can search for book on any subject. If I click on lifestyle, uh, there are so many books on the left side of the screen on lifestyle, so many actually. So I'll show you how to download any dermatology book. Just type in dermatology. For example, I need to download Drook's textbook of dermatology. So here it is. The first result is Drook's textbook of dermatology. This is the latest edition, the ninth one. You can also download the older editions. They're also available on this website. If I have to download the other textbook, I think Bologna it is, you can download that as well. Yes, I did spell it wrong, but it searched it anyway. And you can also download books on dermatopathology. Yes, these are really good books. I did study this one, the second one. And you can also download on any subject. For example, let's see if they have any books on Botox. Yes, Botox and facial fillers. So they have books on so many topics. And the way to download it is just click on it, and you can even preview it and see if you actually want to download it or not, or you can click on download and it will check the health of the link, see if it is actually available on the servers, and if it is, then it will show you a link, and you just click on it, and that's all you have to do. It will download automatically. See, just click on this download button and it'll start downloading. You can check it in the status bar. So let's see. So it's downloaded. I'll click on it, and this is the book. So this is actually a book which is made up of a PowerPoint presentation. So anyways, so this is how you download any book. I hope we all learned something today. I'll try to make more videos on downloading books and more content regarding dermatology or any other subject. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.